Welcome guys, welcome back to another video, a Aussie video tour. I'm Aussie. So today I'll be testing out my new camera through these woods. I know some of you are familiar with these woods, but I'm not going to say where I am today. I'm somewhere in Queens, in the woods, walking around. So if you are familiar with these woods, or if you recognize these woods, leave a comment in the comment section. So I'm figuring out which trail should I take. Should I take this trail or should I take that trail? But I'm going to use this trail for now and see where it leads me. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, just walk with me for a couple of minutes. Anyway, I'll be going up this slope here. Yes, so this is a new camera, the Insta360 X5, the latest camera. Let me show you guys around and then I'll show you. So I'm currently in the selfie mode. I'm not at home. I can't demonstrate to you the nuances and how, you could change stuff from selfie, but it's in selfie mode. And it has 3 or 4 different ways to use it. You can switch to back view, the rear view, front view. You can go to an angle up and down. But I'm using the selfie mode right now and the rear mode to show you guys. So this is in the selfie mode, and I'm going to go to the front, the rear view. So technically, right now, if somebody's trying to sneak up behind me, they can't, because right now I'm in the rear view mode. A lot of Jamaicans out there doesn't like we use the word rear, but it's a part of the English language, so I really don't care. So let's move, guys. Let's move. So there's another track here. If I go down this way, I'll be going back in the direction where I came from, and if I go this way, so let's walk. So technically I'm in the mega view, guys, so you can see everything around me, and it's a little windy, but this X5 comes with a built-in wind muff that prevent a lot of wind. So guys, let me know in the comment section what do you think. So right here, so I'm in selfie mode, guys. So guys, what do you think? You guys out there thinking about anything that you would like to leave in the comment section? This is a wooded area, quiet, and it's not some place that is a picnic area. It's just a wooded area that people walk and go for a hike if you want to go for a hike. But let me look behind me to see what's going on behind me. So I don't have to turn around, guys. Really, I don't, because I'm using the rear view. I'm using the rear view camera. So it's a 360 camera, where one in the front and one in the back. But this is what we call an Insta frame, because what it does, it frames your video instantly, so you don't have to go on the studio, the desktop studio, or the app on your phone or your tablet to do any kind of reframing. So what this does, it's reframe your video so you do less work, because most people prefer the traditional action camera. So whatever you film or whatever you video, it's just there. So you just put it into your software and do what you have to do, and whether you're doing some color grading or not, it's ready. But most Insta360 cameras, you have to reframe it because it's like a globe. It's like the world spins and you can see everything from any direction. So what you do, you go into the studio or you go to the app and you could turn the camera to the right, to the left, you could spin it upside down, you could do anything. So it works. So what this one does, it reframe the video for you so you doesn't have to do all of that work. Yeah. So as you see, if I look behind me here, because I'm looking forward so I can see anyone that's coming from in front of me. So I don't have to turn around. So what I do is do that. So I'm looking exactly behind me now with this type of view. So I'm walking, guys. Just walk with me through the woods. And like I said, if you are familiar with Queens and this area that I'm spinning around, I'm using a 360 camera. Let me know in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Alrighty. Nice and sunny. I should just chill out here for a little bit, taking the warm sunshine here. I think I should, but let's see what happens. And I can hear the bird chirping, which is nice. I like the sounds of nature, with the birds and the wind rushing through the leaves. You know, it's a nice little hear the bird chirping. You hear them, guys, and they're flying around, which is nice. There we go. Hope they're not scared of me, because nature, here they go. There's a tree up here that's falling down. One right here. Let's see if you guys could see it. It's right there. Right over here. It's really using the rear camera, but it's showing me a 360 mode of everything. So I'm really under a tree that broken right there. You see that? It's a little bit dangerous, and it goes all the way over here. So it exactly falls from the root. Let's go take a closer look. This is nature, guys. I love nature. So It actually falls from the root right here. It's a very old tree. I don't know what's the name of this tree, but it falls. It falls from here. You sit right there. It goes all the way up here, and it was saved by another tree right there, and it fall on that tree. So this is nature, guys, nature. I love to hear the birds chirp, and it's nice and cool. So let me get back on the path. There's a piece of stump here, fall in the middle of the way. I don't know, I want to do a night video, so maybe I should remove it just in case I come here at night, even though I will have probably have my flashlight and other LED lights with me. A lot of people have said it's dangerous for me to walk alone in these woods, but I don't think I feel any fear in walking through this. And I've done it maybe about 2-3 times already. Does this look like a... No, it looks like a... The way it's shaped, it looks like a bat. Let me just show it to you guys. In the distance here, this little tree here that fell. I don't know. Maybe I'm paranoid. Go back. So it's beautiful here, guys. It's beautiful. I mean, just to come out in nature and walk and look around and feel that cool here, instead of be stuffing up in your apartment, whether it may be winter time or summertime. Most people turn the AC on all day, and sometimes AC is not good. I'm not an AC guy. I'd rather come out in the wild, in the woods, somewhere and relax, because you're getting a breath of fresh air here, instead of just coming up in your apartment or your house. That's why most people, you own a home, you go in your backyard and you go under your gazebo or whatever, or your tent, and relax. This is even better. Because remember, guys, I'm not going to tell you where I am, but if you're familiar, if you're really familiar with this here, especially in these woods, let me know. Leave a comment. Don't be afraid to leave comments, guys. Just, if you don't want to leave a comment by writing something down or typing something down, just leave a emoji. And I'm looking at these birds that's flying around, man. It's a beauty. It's a beauty. I'm flying around. I'm just looking at them. So it's approximately 12:54 p.m. here in New York City, in the city of New York. Yeah, man. These beautiful trees up there, are they tree? sunshine. It's beautiful. If you ever figure out where I am and want to take a stroll in the woods, if you're used to doing these things, come on and just take a walk. It's even more refreshing than the bike track and the walk track, but you can actually feel the dense, you can feel the cool, cold, nice weather. And this looks like it's a bees, isn't it now? Yeah, it's a tree that fell. You ever comment in the comment section? I think it's most of the time it turns out to be where the bees or wasp, whatever you, and comes here and relax. I thought you can make a home inside these area, and if I touch it, probably I'll be in trouble because I have to run. I'll be chased by a swarm of bees. So guys, I was in Jamaica for 19 days. Jamaica was fun. I did a lot of video, a few videos, not a lot, with Jamaica Walk by Ever Blessed Travel. Big up yourself, Ever Blessed Travel. Ginger over there and his crew in Ken Village, and also a young lady by the name of Zena Block TV. She was cool too. Let me take a walk on this side. I've never been around this spot before and see how far it leads me. Let me just take a walk. That's a minor detour. Yeah. And I said before, nobody can sneak up behind me because I'm in selfie mode right now. And I can see right around the ear. So this only leads me back and down, and I'm not going down yet. So that's the, you can see, let me just change this here. This nature guy, who doesn't like nature? I'm feeling so good. The wind and the breeze and everything is so cool and refreshing. Breathing in good here. So everything here is green. Everything here is green. So when you breathe in these green here, you're good. So I'm going through a patch of green from very close here, you know. It's like I'm in the country somewhere, but I'm not. I'm in the heart of New York City. Yeah. Look how close I am. All right, so I've come to a T-junction. To the right, to the left. Where do I go? Do I turn around and go back to where I'm coming from? Let's see. Let's see. Should I circle? All righty, there we go. So I'm making a decision. I'm going to go to my left. So guys, just watch me, comment, watch the video, like the video, share the video, and tell me what you think about this beautiful walk here through the woods. Now, I think this is where everything ends because I can't go any further. So, it's like, and I'm not gonna show you that sign because I want you guys to figure out and leave a comment in the comment section. There's a sign to my right. I'm gonna show you the sign. You can figure it out yourself. I'm gonna go by this sign here. I'm gonna take a walk and I can take a little walk here on this tree stump so I don't break my behind. Let me hold on to this. Yes, I'm holding on, guys. I'm holding on. Look at that. Woo! So I'm on top of you know the tree that I passed earlier with broke and fell? This one seems to be a little bit stronger. But I'm still taking a chance. Still taking a chance. Let me lean up against this tree. So if something happened to me, at least I have something to brace on. Oh, so this is where I am. I'm gonna show you guys if you can take a look to see what I'm trying to show you. Alrighty, let me come down off this old tree here before it gives way on me. Look at it, rotten. All right. So I'm all alone, guys, all alone in these woods, walking, but it's daytime, it's not nighttime. And I'm gonna take a chance one night and take a walk through here at night to see, just to experience being alone in the woods. Maybe I need something. My phone is good to protect myself. But something else, just in case, with a lot of lights. So this is where I came from, but I never walk in the same direction that I came. I always try to take an alternate route. So guys, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please watch the video to the end. Please subscribe. Share this video with this experience that I have in the woods today. Let me know what you think. Does it worth the walk or not? Let me know. Because I do have a YouTuber down there in Kissimmee, Florida, who walks almost every day, he and his wife Liz, and he's always preaching that walking is good for your health. Well, I'm just gonna say this. Not everybody can walk. Some people are disabled. Some people have bad knees, joints, and they really can't do it. But for those who can do it, you should walk. You don't have to walk in the woods like I do, but take a walk on the street. If you could ride a bicycle, you could do that also. If you're a jogger or a runner, you could do that also. So every man or woman does their own thing to keep healthy. You want to go to the gym or run on the treadmill, it's fine also. But nothing beats nature. Nothing. I'm telling you, nothing. So please like, share, and subscribe. And look at this huge tree up here. Look at them, all the way up there. So guys, I'm heading down to from whence I came and back to civilization. So please, I'm asking you, watch the video, share the video, and subscribe to the video. So yes guys, I'm heading down. So just stand by. Who goes there? Who? Well, maybe I'm getting crazy, but I thought I heard footsteps or somebody coming behind me. But like I said, this camera is perfect, that it can see everything around me. Everything can see around me. So guys, please like, share, subscribe. I think I'm going to be coming to the end of this video today. And like I'm always saying to guys, peace, love, and respect to everyone that watched this video. Please, I'm asking you, let me hit that 10,000 subscribers before the end of this year, or even before, say, summertime. So please subscribe guys, wherever you are in the world, Latin America, Europe, the Caribbean, anywhere in the West Indies, Jamaica, Barbados, Trinidad. If you're over there in Southeast Asia, it doesn't matter. Please, I'm asking you to subscribe and support this channel. And I've seen somebody running around here. Let me stop for a second. It looked like an animal. This one looks like, I've never seen a black squirrel before. Wow. Never seen a black squirrel before. Never. This is the first time. It looks like a squirrel, but it's running away from me behind this tree here. But I'm not here to hurt you. I'm just passing through. Not here to hurt you. Hope you could understand me. But let me circle it. He's gone. He's gone. I've never ever seen a squirrel that dark. I've seen squirrel, but I've never seen one that is black, actually black. It looks like a squirrel. It moves like a squirrel. I think it's a squirrel. Golly golly. Alrighty. Wow. All right, guys, so this is where I come to an end of this video today. So please, like I said, let's give the video some thumbs up, like the video, share the video, and tell me what you think, and leave a comment in the comment section. Till I see you guys in the next video. Peace, love your neighbors, love your friends, love your enemy, pray for everyone, be respectable to each and every one that you come across. Even if they don't say hi to you or hello to you, just say hi and keep going, because God will bless you, and that's a blessing. Till I see you again, take care and stay fit.